Follow the steps on how to make an image with a motion blur effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Select Subject. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Convert this layer to a smart object. Duplicate again and rename. Select this layer and go to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. Set the distance. Move it a little using the arrow keys. Duplicate to emphasize motion blur. Select this layer, duplicate it, and position it above the original layer. Double-click and edit distance becomes larger. Change to linear dodge. Select all these layers and group them. And this is the result. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.